Hello everyone, welcome to the MonoVM YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to show you how to upgrade the PIP package in Windows. Step 1. Open the command prompt application on your computer. Step 2. Check PIP version. Before upgrading PIP, check the current version of PIP installed on your system. Do this by running the following command. This command will display the PIP version currently installed. Step 3. Upgrade PIP. To upgrade PIP, use the following command. This command tells PIP to install the latest version of itself by fetching it from the Python package index repository. Step 4. Verify the upgrade. After the upgrade process is complete, you can verify that PIP has been upgraded successfully by running this command. That's it. You have successfully upgraded PIP to its latest version using commands.